Good day, ma'am and sir, and to all employers. My name is Dylan Consolacion, 31 years old, married from the Philippines. I am the eldest of the two siblings of the family, and I have three kids, and I am a born-again Christian. My experience here in the Philippines is an all-around home working. I am a nanny and also I do house chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, general housework, car washing, gardening, watering plants, grocery and shopping. Taking care of elderly, and I am very a hardworking person and dedicated to my work. Trustworthy and honest, I am willing to learn more and promise to do all the tasks that you will give me. I promise to finish my contract with you as long as you need me, ma'am and sir. And if you like my job, and I will do everything, ma'am and sir. I hope and praying that you will choose me, and ma'am and sir, thank you and God bless you.